So right here, we're gonna have the GE Smart Weight Body Scale. All right, this is the front of the actual box, okay? And then if you go look at the back of the box, you can see the back of the box, right? It's going to have an app that comes with this. You have a scannable QR code that you can scan your phone on, which is really simple, real easy to scan this code, and then it pops up, and then you can download the app that comes with this scale. Maximum weight is 500 pounds, 226.8 kilograms. Okay, and it's Bluetooth compatible, and which is really, really awesome. And there's a lot that can be done as far as managing your weight, stuff like that, and keeping track of it, okay, which is really, really awesome. Okay, so if you have goals and weight goals, stuff like that, you can put it inside the app, which I'm gonna show you everything that you can do inside of this app right now. And let's take a look at the scale. All right, so here's the scale itself. Okay, it's a black, real nice design on the front of the scale. Okay, on the back right here, you're gonna have these little stoppers, right? This is gonna help you when you put it on the ground. You can see the back end right here. Here is where you would place the batteries. 3 batteries go inside of here. Real easy to do. Let me show you real fast. As I take this off, you're gonna see the 3 batteries right there. That's where you would place it. Real easy to put inside of the scale. Clips on real easy. Already clipped it on. You can see it's already done. And now what we're gonna do right here is go ahead and place this in my restroom, and you're gonna see, you know, how it works and how the scale. Now, before we go in there, what we're gonna do is download the app. You're gonna hit this. There's that QR code on the back right there of the box that I showed you earlier. You're gonna bring your phone. Okay, I have an Android myself. You're gonna scan the back of the box, and as you scan the back of the box, it's gonna pop open the Fit Profile app. Okay, you're gonna open this up, and as you open this up, it's loading up. You can see right there that the app is all loading up. You're gonna put in your information. You're gonna sign in. You can sign in with your Google account. You can put your own email or however you like. Okay, and then it's gonna ask a few questions about, you know, your birthday, you know, your weight, stuff like that, and then that way it's gonna help you keep track of everything that you're doing. Okay, so you're gonna see right there the information that it has right there on the app. So as you're gonna see right here, you can see the weight. Okay, on the bottom it has the home, so you can basically keep track of your, set your weight goal. If you want to set your weight goal, you know, over your home tracking, you can track. It's going to give you a tracker from, you know, basically a little bit of a calendar, body fat, BMI, weight, and then it's me, your whole profile, all that stuff. It says Fitbit, Google Fit, settings, help, all that cool fun stuff right here. You can log out if you want to log out. If you need to log out, you can do that. But yeah, let's go back to the home, and let's go track our weight on the scale. All right, so I'm signed into the app, as you can see right there. One thing too, you can just, when you have to make sure you have your Bluetooth on, you tap on, you allow the app to connect to the Bluetooth, and then it links directly to the scale, and it's pretty easy. So I step on it, it goes 0, 0. Okay, that's what you're looking for before you step on it. And then there is a Bluetooth indicator that pops on. Step on it, you're gonna see the app start to populate the weight, and it's gonna show the weight. It's gonna blink on the scale, and then it's gonna, as I step off, boom, it's gonna show the actual weight on the app too. So it shows it on the app, then it shows it on the scale. And then you can obviously log in all the information. It logs it in to the planner, and then as you log all that stuff in, you kind of just track your weight on a day-to-day basis, or however you track your weight. Let me go ahead and show you guys a close-up without the phone. I have the camera in my hand, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and step on the scale. Okay, we wanna make sure it goes to 0, 0 before you step on, and then it flashes to tell you, okay, we got your weight, and it's good to go. All right.